Alright friends, now we have come to the continue statement. The usage of continue is quite different from break. So, while break ends the loop, continue skips over certain conditions within the loop. It means, if I change it from break to continue, so what's happening here? When e becomes 6, I just skips over. So, I will not print 6 here. I run it, you will see, if I run it. So I printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when it becomes 6, I skip over, and then I print 7, 8, and 9, and 10. You see, it just skips over. For example, if I want to print odd numbers, so let's check for even numbers. If e divided by 2, and the rest of division becomes 0, it means its e is even numbers. So when e becomes 0, 2, 4, 6, it continues like that, I continue. So it means I will print just 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So I will print this way odd numbers on the screen. So I run it, you see 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. When e is odd numbers, I just skip over. So this way, even numbers are never printed. Okay, I hope you understand this logic.